Want godlike armor in Minecraft 1.205? In just few minutes, I'll show you how to get protection 155 armor, take no damage. Let's become invincible in 2025. Launch Minecraft 1.2, 1.5, and open any single-player world. Here's mine. Click Open to LAN in the pause menu. Toggle Allow Cheats to On, then hit Start LAN World. This unlocks commands for our epic armor. Ready to gear up? Let's do it. Press T to open the chat. We'll use 4 commands for Protection 155 armor. Find them in the description. Type the first for a diamond helmet, then chestplate, leggings, and boots. Press Enter each time, and boom, your god armor's in your inventory. Equip it and feel unstoppable. Equip your armor and let's test it. Face a warden, barely a scratch. Jump from a cliff, almost no fall damage. Swim in lava, you're fine. Protection 155 makes you a tank. If it's not working, retype the commands or restart. You're a Minecraft god now. That's it. You've got Protection 155 armor in Minecraft 1.215. Like this video for more Minecraft hacks, subscribe for weekly gaming tips, and tell me, what's your favorite mob to fight now? Drop it below. Stay tough, and I'll see you next time.